In 1973, during the oil crisis, a young scientist named Dr. Ilara Jensen in Denmark made a groundbreaking discovery. She found a way to harness wind energy more efficiently, inspired by the ancient windmills of her homeland. Her research led to the development of the modern wind turbine, revolutionizing renewable energy. But did you know her initial idea came from observing the flight patterns of birds? This unexpected twist in her research sparked a global shift towards sustainable energy. Today, her work powers millions of homes worldwide, proving that sometimes nature holds the answers we seek.